Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Navnred here. Today I'm going to unbox digital analog wristwatch. It is a budget friendly wristwatch. Let's have a look. This is a Skmei wristwatch box. Box is so simple. Only logo is placed on the top, and when you see the sides, nothing, no details is provided at the bottom also. Let's see how the watch look inside the box. Let me unbox it. This is how the watch look like. Nothing is, no documentation is provided inside the box. Let me keep the box inside, and the sponge also. Let me open the cover. This is how the watch look like. It is round dial watch, black and red variant. It shows both analog and digital time. It has 3-letter wordings around the dial. It gives premium look to the watch. At the top it has Skmei logo at my fingertip. And with regarding to the dial case is made with Australian alloy, and the strap is made with PU material. It is PU strap. The strap is very strong, and to the end it has a steel buckle with two pins, and to the other end of the strap it has two holes to fit this two pins. When we turn it backside, it is, here you can see it is water resistant, and model number 1155 and Skmei logo, and here one battery code is here, battery code. Okay, and when you turn to the left, it has two buttons and one speaker. The speaker is used for alarm purpose, and you can listen beep sound here. When we press the mode button, you can listen beep sound and alarm also. And to the right it has two more buttons and one roller to adjust the analog time. So this is the overview of the watch. Now let's see the functionality of the watch. This watch shows both analog and digital time. For adjusting the analog time, just pull the roller at the right side and adjust the time. There is nothing much to tell about this time adjustment, as you people know. And when it comes to the digital time, it has three displays. Bottom display is for time, and the display beside the three small displays, square rectangular displays for date, and round display shows the day of the week. Today is Tuesday, that's why it's showing TU. This left top button is for lighting the digital screens, all three screens, and this top button at my fingertip, this button is also used for lighting the screen. You can see the screen here, and at the bottom left button is mode button here. So this button is used for changing the mode at this all three screens. Now it is in time mode. Just I will click now it will go to alarm mode. Again if I click once again, then it will go to stopwatch mode. So this button indicate the mode. So if you want to change the mode, this is time mode now. One second. Now it is in time mode. If you want to change the minutes or hours, just click the reset button. Now it will now it see hours place is blinking. Again if you want to again click the reset button to change to minutes. Now it will minutes will change. So if you want to increment the value of the minute, just click the start button. So here you can see increment value, upper arrow. Just click once and two times I click. Now it is 19. This is how we want to change the time. For suppose if you want to change the date and the day, just click the mode. So mode button, it is see now uh, seconds is blinking. Then go to reset button, click one time, second time, and now click the third time and click fourth time. Now it is date is blinking, and click the start button, upper arrow mark, to increment the date value. Today date is 20. Just click one time, it will become 21. Now click again reset button at this corner bottom. Now day is blinking. Today is Tuesday, TU. Now click start upper arrow button, Wednesday. Now click one time with C WE, it is Wednesday. This is how we want to can change the time in total all three displays. Thank you for watching. The links regarding this watch is mentioned in the description. Subscribe my channel, press bell icon for notification. Follow me on social media. Links are provided in the description box.